thank you so much for coming back. As you already know, my name's Spider-Man. I don't know if I should change my name now because it's not Spider-Man vs. Spider-Girl. Anyway, today we will be making slime.
And my name is Batman.
Yeah, so open that.
Mine now.
We were just making slime behind the camera with no top on. Exactly. So I'm gonna open this and we'll come. So I've opened it, now I'm gonna tip it in. Oh, that was nice.
Oh,
that felt nice.
we've already made slime.
Yes, don't make go and get it.
Mine's here.
This one's mine.
Pink. Whoops, sorry.
Oh my gosh. So we have near enough done the glue. There was a bit of a problem before, so when we finish the glue, we will come back to it. So we've done the glue, so now we're going to have a bit of shaving foam.
I've done that glue.
Well, I'm going to use this one. The one that we've already opened. That's what this is. Right, so now I've done some shaving foam.
So we don't need this one, do we?
We're going to mix it.
Gonna mix it. I need
Mix it.
How much? Wait, tell me what's that.
That looks like
nothing. Let's put a small in it. It won't make a difference. Is that good?
No, a bit more.
We want it fluffy slime.
That. Right, that's
that.
good. Yeah.
Right, come on, let's mix it. I didn't mix them.
And this is the special
I need a
ingredient.
spoon.
Like,
This
just
is
to let
the
you know,
activator.
don't use cornstarch because Kelsey, my cousin, will tell you the story.
No, it's borax.
Borax.
So, a little girl, not little,
This is a true story.
she's about 9, and she used gloves to make it. She used borax, and she and then the fun part is playing with the slime. So she was playing and playing and playing with it, and then her hands just burnt, 3-degree burns, and yeah, I felt so tight on her. Oh, you need to mix it. Yeah, I know, I might have a spoon. Oh, shall we get you another? Yep. What shall I get? One of the plastic ones? One of the purple ones. No.
Oh, it's turning
One of
into
the
slime.
Which ones?
We're gonna half this after.
One of the
And
one
I'm
like
gonna do
Starbucks.
mine.
There isn't any like that.
I'm gonna do mine
Just get
blue.
me a spoon.
And Batman is going to do hers purple. Like a rubber slime, because we don't want to change them different colours. It sounds wrong when there's actually like loads in there. And we need to save some for Ruby. Pebbles. I just love saying that name to annoy you. I don't want to.
It looks so weird, but when you actually play with it, it's the best thing you'll ever do. You've ever tried.
Do it around the sides.
Please try this.
At home. This is a good one to do at home, like quick and easy.
Well, it's not like that quick, but
It's not.
and don't buy. You can use school glue, clay glue, but I recommend clay glue. I mean PVA. And yes,
So it's coming to slime now.
Yes, it's just. Is mine turning into slime?
I don't know. You tell me.
Right, here, you need to do this. No?
Yeah, but you've only put in a little bit. Right, look.
Have you even added shaving cream? Yeah. Right, next.
So it's turning into slime now.
We've got loads there.
I know. Did you see our other? We have at least half of this. Well, it felt like
This is turning into slime. You need more shaving foam. She hasn't got anything.
How much glue did you get out? I bet there's like still half a bottle in there or something.
There isn't. Which one?
Well, put more shaving foam in it.
Yeah, she's not put enough shaving foam in. You put it in, because I don't want to do this one.
Look, we got a new bottle. So I paused that. I'm going to have to stop the video soon.
Put it together.
So I'm done. Please look.